Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm in an amazing place. You can find it on Google's SIGNUP. And check out this, it's like castle. Gotta travel to the best places. You guys are right, I should make a travel channel. There's also in a castle town. I love castle towns. There's some kind of castle down there as well somewhere. The house we're staying at is also like in a castle thing. I'll show you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash the thumbs up button. Luna announced just now, I'm going to show you, this is big news for Luna. They announced that they have no Bitcoin left. They have 313 Bitcoin. Out of the 80,000 that they had 313 left. They sold the rest of it. Now this means two things. It means Luna it's like, there's no point holding Luna. The second thing is it means that I'm going to be buying more Bitcoin. Why? Because Luna during that dump, which everyone already kind of assumed, they dropped 80,000 Bitcoin. They panic sold 80,000 Bitcoin to try and prop the price of Luna and UST up. I'm going to show you what exactly happened with Luna. The Luna Foundation guard just released what happened. That means they dumped 80,000 Bitcoin and the price managed to hold, even though there was so much panic with Luna, USDT, all that panic, and it still held 26,000. And that's what I actually thought, that it was the bottom, and I bought one Bitcoin. But now I'm going to start deploying millions of dollars and buy more Bitcoin on this news. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. I'm going to do some TA, and then I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin. So over here, the market is not yet open on stocks. Luna is down 6% after this news. Bitcoin is still holding this channel that I've been talking about. This was when that panic happened, when Luna dumped 80,000 of their Bitcoin and it tanked the price. You can see here, this is the drop from when that panic happened on Luna and UST. Bitcoin came down to an extreme low during all that panic of 26,500, and that was so much panic in the markets during this time. So that was the red line in the sand that managed to hold on Bitcoin, and huge buying volume. That indicates that was a bottom. When you have capitulation like that, you have giant panic, and then you have this V-shaped recovery. We also have a big kind of inverse head and shoulders that failed, but in my opinion, this was the bottom if that was the case, that they dumped that 80,000 Bitcoin into the market. So Bitcoin had a bit of a long since my previous video if you followed my TA, but I'm going to be buying Bitcoin purely because Luna dumped 80,000 of their Bitcoin and it managed to hold that 26,000. So I'm going to ladder in. I'm going to buy some Bitcoin now. I'm going to put a buy order at 28,500 and I'm going to put another buy order at 26,300 in case there's further dumps. So I'm going over to Binance. In here I have around $401,000. It's up $2,000 since my video a few hours ago. I've got 141,000 USDT in here. So I'm going to start buying Bitcoin. So I'm going to buy I'm going to buy 2 Bitcoin right now at the current price. Actually, I'll just ladder it down. So 1 Bitcoin right now. Buying 1 Bitcoin here. Buying 1 Bitcoin at the extreme at 29,900. 29,900. Another 1 Bitcoin buy. So 1 Bitcoin is already bought. Total must be 1 Bitcoin buy. So that's another Bitcoin at 29,900. So I just bought 1. So I've got 1 Bitcoin in here right now. 29,900, 1 Bitcoin. I'm going to also put buy orders at 28,500 and 26,800. 28,500, buying 1 Bitcoin. 26,800, buying 3 Bitcoin. Let's see how many I can. Okay, those 2 orders are sitting there. I need to convert more of. I've got USDT 100,000, so I'm going to 111,000. I need to cancel one of the orders that. Okay, those are the 2. Then I'll add more to this, and I've got to convert. I've got a lot of AUD here. I've got around 163,000 AUD, which I'm going to convert. Oh, I'll use Bitcoin to just directly buy it. So I'm going to buy 1 more Bitcoin at current price. And then I'm going to put, it's in AUD, I don't like AUD, so I'm going to convert this to USD. So So I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin here because of this. I'm also over on Bybit. I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade from earlier today is still up. I'm going to buy another Bitcoin here. In this account, I have 79,000 Bit. I've got one Bitcoin CRV. So I'm going to buy one more Bitcoin here. I've got one sitting here. Okay, that's enough for this orders. Now I'm going to put buy order over on here for Bitcoin. I'm also going to put another buy order here. I need to use USDT. Can I buy it with BUSD? No, I need to convert this. So I'm going to convert another 30,000 BUSDT into USD. Let's see if that, I want it to instantly fill, so I'm gonna buy one more Bitcoin here. Okay, that filled. So I'm gonna buy another Bitcoin now. Bitcoin with USDT. I'll put it at 26,500. I'll put another buy order, one Bitcoin. Okay, so I've got one Bitcoin over on Bybit to buy at 26,500. I've got one Bitcoin in here. On Binance, I have an order for 29,900, which is very close to where we're sitting right now, to buy another Bitcoin. And I've got another order at 28,500, and I've got another order. I've got more BNB to buy here at 260. Okay, I'll leave that, and then I'll buy. And I've got one more Bitcoin from AD. So I bought I've got one Bitcoin, two Bitcoin here. So now I've got two Bitcoin here. This account, $401,000. I bought two Bitcoin here. I've got a lot of BNB. So these are the two Bitcoin that I'm holding now. And I've got a buy order for one Bitcoin at 26,500 over on Bybit. The reason I'm stacking Bitcoin now is because of this. So this was the news. So now I'm going to show you the news that Luna pointed out. So at Magicraft, we successfully dropped our Magicraft NFT Genesis collection. It's still for sale. The public launch is still open. There's still some left. Luna is finished. In summary, no more money left. This is on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I have here 34,300 followers. Luna is finished. In summary, no more money left. Remaining going to compensate UST holders. I will also buy more Bitcoin on this news because such a heavy sell volume and Bitcoin managed to sustain its price. That's what I just tweeted. And this is what Luna Guard Foundation posted 1 hour ago. So this is what happened. As of Saturday, May 7th, the Luna Guard held a reserve of, this is what before the dump, this is what they had. 80,000 Bitcoin, 39,000 BNB, 26 million USDT, 23 million USDC, 2 million AVAX. So expect a dump on AVAX. They're still holding AVAX. 697,000 UST and 1.6 million Luna. Consistent with, so then they tried to hold when the price of UST began to drop substantially below $1. The foundation began converting their reserves to UST. The foundation did so by directly executing on-chain swaps and transferring Bitcoin to a counterparty. So they sent Bitcoin to be sold. They directly sold 26 million USDT, 23 million USDC for 50 million UST. They transferred 52,000 Bitcoin to another party to trade it, to sell Bitcoin to peg the price. Now, we don't know if that 52,000 on May 10th, when USD had fallen to 75 cents, they've executed the following exchange trades in a last-ditch effort to defend the peg. They sold 33,000 Bitcoin for 1.1 billion UST. On May 12th, they swapped 883 million UST to Luna to try and keep up Luna. As of now, the foundation remaining reserves has 313 Bitcoin, 39,000 BNB, 1.9 million AVAX, 1.8 million $1.8 billion UST. So now they're going to move all their assets to this website shortly to see what is remaining. The foundation looking to use its remaining asset to compensate the users of UST smallholders first. But what that means is it's pretty much finished for Luna. And this is all their reserves that they have left. So this website, you can go dashboard.lfg.org, will show all their reserves that they have. And the remaining reserves, they have $82 million, but they haven't moved it seems. They've got BNB, They haven't moved it yet. So will show the remaining reserves. But as you can see, before the drop, they had almost $4 billion in reserves. Before the drop on May 4th, they had $4 billion. You can see here, just before the drop. I can't click it. Yeah, there. This was just before the drop. They had a lot of reserves. They had AVAX, it doesn't show what they had at that moment, but that's what they're holding now. And that's why I'm buying more Bitcoin, because they actually did dump all of that. If you want to buy Bitcoin, make sure you're using this Bybit link down below in the description and pin comment. $4,600 of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. That's where I made most of my trade. That's why, so everyone, I think Luna is finished in the regards that they've dumped most of their Bitcoin. Now, we don't know, they didn't say that they sold all the Bitcoin that they sent to reserve, so they might still have some on exchanges. There's still 33,000 Bitcoin apparently that we don't know if it's been converted. They said they converted 50,000 Bitcoin, but so that means Luna is pretty much finished. That's what the Luna Guard Foundation has sold and what's left in their reserves, and that's why I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin, because they did actually dump so much of their Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'm going to go have coffee now in this beautiful town. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.